One of the kit of heated grips from Oxford comes with a bit of glue, some sticky tape. Then it has a bracket if you want to put the buttons on the bracket, which I'm not going to use. Then we have your handles itself, Oxford, 1 and 2, and the actual controller. How to install, which I don't think I need. And then the wire that will run from your battery all the way to this connection there. Yeah, so that's what the kit has, and we're gonna try and install it real quick now. This is the bike we're gonna be installing in, and the grips I have on this, yeah, I mean they're good, but the weather is cold now, so we need something warmer. That's the bike on the CBR. We're gonna try to change the grips into heated grips for the winter, so I can keep riding. So first thing you need is an Allen key. Take off the seat to dispose of your battery. Dispose. Yeah, get rid of it. You don't need batteries. I'm gonna open these bolts. Now you remove your seat. Put it aside, and there is your battery in there. That's all your ECU. Gonna move that aside. I believe this is gonna be 10mm. Yes, they are. So all you need is an Allen key and 10mm. And that's all. So we're gonna take the main wire now, which is gonna run somewhere to the very front. And this is gonna be all on the battery. So first I'm gonna remove the negative, the ground. Try not to lose the bolts. Try not to lose the bolts. Okay. The bolts there. Now I do the same with the positive. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Right, so we have both bolts out. We're gonna take the wire now. We're gonna put black with black and red with red. There's 2 wires for this one. Go right through that. Come on now. In, and in we go. Okay. Put this dock distance somewhere there. We're gonna run the cable through the left side, I guess. Just put on the fairings there. Try not to destroy nothing. Back the ECU. Continue over here. Probably we'll need to remove that because I'd like to go in there. Yeah. So we need another Allen key. Open this up. I just hope I can peel this back just a little bit so I can push my wire through. There we go. And put the panel back in. Get the wires through now, all the way to the front. I'm gonna fix this bolt back in place. Seems good. Before I go any further, just make sure everything works the way it should. Right, so what is this? Blue, red. This goes to this one. This one there. And this one over here. And then this one inside of that. Click. Now where's the power button? Does it work? Oh, they have power. I'll wait and see if they warm up or not. Okay, I can confirm they're getting warm. Oh yes, come on. So next step is to take the old ones off. To take them off, you need to kind of twist and pull. Wait, I need to take off the handlebar end on this side. I only have one, the other one was stolen, I believe. It's okay, because we're getting new ones coming in soon. Some more videos coming out. Now we kind of need to pry it off. And they are stock. Holy shit, they're stock. I'll try to put a screwdriver in. Kind of break this seal. Because I'd say they were here since the bike was made. Put it in there as well. You know what probably would help? Some hot water. I think it would make it a lot easier. Roll it back. Roll it back. I know we used to do that on BMXs. Actually just roll it back. And look at that, it actually works. That's crazy. One off, mushroom head. So we'll do the same for the other side. We'll try the rolling method again. Seemed to work out. Sure as hell it does. Yeah, yo boys, rolling method all the way. Now I wanna get some white spirits. Clean the bars off. So there's no debris on them. Same for the other side. We will take the handlebars itself. Put some light on. As you can see, they give us some glue. And you're supposed to put a wee bit on the actual inside of the rubber. Start with this end. Okay, it goes down fairly easy. So I'll just put a dash bit of super glue. Bit there, bit there, bit there, and there. And before it settles in, we need to push the lever in. I mean the grip. I'm talking about the levers because I want to get new levers as well. Nearly there. Yeah, it needs a bit of force. I'm lifting the whole bike with it. It's actually crazy, man. But yeah, you gotta rotate it. Rotate a bit more. And we're gonna keep it facing this way. Yep, doesn't stop me from turning. That is solid. Okay, that's one grip on. Hold on to something. Oh, this one is way easier, what the hell. Okay, maybe the handle was just crusty as fuck on the other one. Do a whole circle. Okay, seems okay now. This one was super easy to install. The other one was way harder. And now all we have to do is put the wires together. So I'm gonna connect that to that. find my remote, unzip all these wires. So what I've done, I run this wire underneath that so it's not in the way. It doesn't disturb my turning, which is very important, I'd say. Now we're gonna take off this wire, do exactly the same thing, feed it underneath, just like that. Somewhere here, it doesn't look too bad. There's no screws or nothing. So attach it there, and it doesn't disturb me. Yeah, so we're gonna get some double-sided tape now. Sticky. And then we take off the other side. And now we need to stick it. Sticky brick it. Sticky, sticky, sticky. I'm gonna put it right here like that. Just there. Let's get some zip ties, and I'm gonna clear up the wires now and then show you the end result. Winter is gonna be great. Heater grips installed. Just finishing up now. So now we'll have to go test it out. See how they heat up on the top speed, you know what I'm saying? So this is how you install heater grips on a CBR 2001.